Your grandparents' house had a better design than your modern home, and I can prove it. There's one forgotten feature that would instantly stop porch pirates from stealing your Amazon packages. And another one that makes doing laundry 10 times easier without any fancy technology. Stick around because number 7 is already making a massive comeback in luxury homes. If you love practical home design ideas, click the subscribe button now. Let's start with something that'll blow your mind. Built-in ironing boards. These weren't just space savers. They were lifesavers. You pulled them right out of the wall, did your ironing, and pushed them back in. No dragging a clunky board from the closet. No tripping over it in the laundry room. Modern homes make you fight with a wobbly metal frame while your grandma just opened a cabinet and got to work. Companies are bringing these back, and honestly, it's about time. Now, remember those little built-in phone nooks in old houses? Here's the genius update we need. Turn that same concept into a family charging station. One dedicated spot with built-in outlets where everyone charges their devices. No more phone cords snaking across every countertop. No more fighting over outlets. No more phones scattered all over the house. Old homes understood something we forgot. Designate one spot for communication devices and life gets simpler. Here's a feature that costs nothing to operate but modern homes completely ignore. Transom windows. These small windows above doors did two brilliant things. First, they allow natural light to flow between rooms even with doors closed. Second, they created airflow without losing privacy. Hot air rises and escapes through the transom while cool air flows in below. It's free air conditioning using nothing but physics. We're spending thousands on HVAC systems when our ancestors already solved ventilation naturally. Now here's that porch pirate solution I promised. Milk doors. Stay with me. These weren't just for milk deliveries. They were built into secure compartments accessible from both inside and outside your home. The delivery driver opens the outside door, drops your package in, and closes it. You grab it from inside whenever you want. The package stays dry, hidden, and secure. Companies are actually modernizing this idea right now with temperature-controlled versions and smart locks. It's the same brilliant concept our great-grandparents used, just updated for Amazon Prime. Let's talk about laundry chutes. I know what you're thinking. Aren't those dangerous? Modern versions include safety features and meet current building codes. But think about the concept. Dirty clothes from upstairs drop straight down to your laundry room. Gravity does the work. You're not hauling heavy baskets up and down stairs twice a week. Houses in the 1920s understood this. Why make life harder than it needs to be? UK companies are designing modern systems that are safe, code-compliant, and incredibly practical. Your back will thank you. Here's something that drives me crazy. Modern homes have no dedicated space for cleaning supplies. You're shoving brooms into random kitchen cabinets and leaning mops against garage walls. Meanwhile, 1950s homes had 18-inch wide broom closets specifically designed for cleaning gear. Everything had its place. Nothing fell out when you opened the door. It wasn't fancy, but it worked perfectly. We're spending thousands on custom storage solutions when a simple, dedicated closet solves the whole problem. Before you roll your eyes, the butler's pantry wasn't about having servants. It was about having a prep and staging area that keeps your main kitchen functional. Think of it as a buffer zone between your kitchen and dining area. You store your nice dishes there, keep small appliances you don't use daily, and have a second cleanup zone when cooking for guests. Your main kitchen stays clean even when you're hosting. Even a small 6 by 8 foot space transforms how you entertain. Luxury homes are bringing these back because they actually make sense. The built-in hall tree solved entry chaos before we even knew entry chaos existed. These weren't flimsy coat racks from Target. They were furniture-quality pieces with coat hooks at different heights, a bench for putting on shoes, storage underneath for boots, and spots for umbrellas and keys. One piece of furniture handled everything that clutters your entryway. Modern families are constantly battling the same mess, but our grandparents already engineered the perfect solution. Last one, umbrella stands. Sounds old-fashioned, right? But here's the problem they solved. Wet umbrellas are dripping all over your floors and furniture. A simple built-in holder by the front door keeps them contained while they dry out properly. It's such a small detail, but it prevents water damage and keeps your entryway organized. Sometimes the simplest old ideas are the smartest ones. Here's the truth about these forgotten home features. Our grandparents weren't building homes for Instagram. They were building them for real life. And real life hasn't changed as much as we think. Which of these 9 features would you add to your house tomorrow? Drop your answer in the comments right now. If you want more practical home design ideas that actually work, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Check out the next video where I show you modern versions of these features you can actually buy today. Thanks for watching, and remember, sometimes the best home design solutions are the old home features we forgot about.